What is happening, everyone? Luke McGuire here. Now I need to make this super quick and we need to head back to my place right now because I'm about to show you how CryptoSuite is going to be the tool that completely automates all the manual tasks needed to make a killing in the crypto space, how it combines the top tools needed to succeed in one single suite, and finally how it's going to start making you money today. So come with me now, let's head back to mine. So you guys know I like to do things a little bit differently, whether it be these crazy sales videos or making first to market tools which have never been done before. And it's no different here. And rather than me telling you how amazing CryptoSuite is and how it's going to get you all these results, I want to show you it live in action right now. So what I'm going to do right now is take you on a 60-second journey of how CryptoSuite came about, show you it live in action right now, and most importantly, show you how it's going to start making you money today. In 2017, I couldn't stop hearing about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. All of my friends and colleagues wouldn't stop talking about it, and more importantly, I was watching these guys turn their dollars into hundreds of thousands of dollars. I had no real idea what cryptocurrency was, how to use it, what it did, and most importantly, I had no idea how to make money from it. I had a drive to figure this out, so I packed my bags, flew to Thailand to meet with some of the biggest cryptocurrency millionaires that I knew to dive into this space. At this time, I moved from teacher and leader in my own field of social media to becoming the student in cryptocurrency. This journey led me around the world meeting other cryptocurrency experts and multi-millionaires, and I learned more and more and more. I finally started to make 5x to 20x returns on my investments every single week. And I noticed there was a handful of key tools and practices that guys and girls making big money in the space were using, along with a lot of work that was being done manually that I knew could be automated. I came back to Australia after making multiple six figures in the space, spoke to my development team, and then we created CryptoSuite, the software tool that makes crypto understandable for everyone, automating all the hard tasks needed to make a killing in crypto, and most importantly, start getting users results day one. And I'm so excited to jump into the studio right now and show you CryptoSuite live in action. All right guys, so we made it back here to the studio, and while it took me to fly into a heap of different countries to film that, I'm more pumped up than ever to show you CryptoSuite right now and how it's helped make me and thousands of others 5 to 6 figures per month on complete autopilot. The coolest thing about this is that you can do this by the end of the video, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now as well. Now I know these are huge promises I am making, and I know you're a very smart person and most likely skeptical. I'll be the first person to call out anything I see on a sales video. I hate seeing people telling you how to take action right now, that there's only 5 spots left, that you're gonna make millions of dollars overnight using scare tactics to get you in. So rather than me telling you how amazing CryptoSuite is or reading out hundreds of real money-making user experiences, I'm just gonna show you it in action right now. If that wasn't the easiest thing you have ever seen, then I don't know what is. And I'm sure you see why people don't do this manually. You would go insane looking at charts all day, flipping through different apps all the time, going through different exchanges, different videos, and getting a calculator out trying to work out what the hell is going on. But lucky for you, Ed, it has never been so easy to automate this entire process. Simply log in, be given a list of live results of the market, invest, track your investments, and sit back and make a killing. Now think about how you would feel to potentially double your income in the coming weeks. You are literally one of the first people ever to be able to do what I just showed you in the video. And because you're seeing this video here right now, you are in the best time to jump into CryptoSuite today, and this is why. To say thank you for picking this up right now, I wanted to do something you never see anyone in this space do at all. There are going to be 0 upsells today when you pick CryptoSuite up right now. Instead, I'm going to give you all the upsells for free by joining in launch week. This includes our full VIP training taking you from A to Z of cryptocurrency. I call this my No Man or Woman Left Behind training, as if you have any issues, we are here to personally help you through your journey. I'm also giving you my crypto arbitrage model, which will show you the top exchanges in the marketplace and what they are buying and selling Bitcoin for, so you can instantly make money as soon as you get inside of CryptoSuite. All you need to do is go to exchange A that is selling Bitcoin at a certain price, and then instantly sell at exchange B, which is buying it for a higher price. This is without a doubt the easiest way to make money, as there is no guesswork. I normally sell this for $97 a month. However, when you get in today, you get this for free as a part of picking up CryptoSuite in launch week. I am also throwing in my ICO calendar module and training. This in essence means you will be able to view all of the upcoming coin releases and also have my personal inside information on what coins I'm going to be investing in and why, alongside special deals that you will not be able to get anywhere else. This is where you'll get the scoop on what coins I believe will 5x, 10x, 20x, even 100x. And this is where the big money can be made. And because you're in launch week again, you are getting this for free. Finally, I'm throwing in our VIP group where you have access to me personally, some of the top cryptocurrency experts in the world, and all of the other VIP members inside of CryptoSuite. This in itself is priceless, and this is a place where you will be able to come in and be held accountable to get results. This all upsells included deal alone is worth over $900 in value. And again, this is for launch week only and will be removed when the clock hits 0. So you need to scroll down through this video, through the testimonials, look at all the features, look at all the benefits, and hit the buy button right now so you don't miss out. I also know people are in different places with their own businesses, which is why I have added a few options below to get started, from our most popular option to our best value option and so on. This is to ensure everyone joins us right now, because CryptoSuite will have you being set up, understanding the space, and getting results right away. It is that simple, guys. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I am a super skeptical person, and I'm sure you are also. It's natural, especially in the internet marketing world. This is why I'm removing all the risk for you to grab CryptoSuite right now. I am so sure that this is going to work for you, I'm going to bet my own money on it. So if this isn't the most easy, simple, best cryptocurrency software you have ever seen in your life, then I do not want your money. That is why within 14 days, if you do not like CryptoSuite for whatever reason at all, may it be the shirt I'm wearing, you might not like my hair or my accent, or you just don't want the tool, or you want to go out and buy yourself a nice dinner instead, let me know and I will personally refund you 100% of your money back, no questions asked. Now, to make this a risk for you not to pick up right now, if you work with myself and my team for 60 days and still get 0 results, I will personally double your money back. That is how sure I am that CryptoSuite is going to deliver you results. It's going to make you add a brand new stream of income to your business instantly, and the only risk for you right now is to not pick this up because of my double your money back guarantee. Now, go through the sales page, look at all the benefits, look at all of the features, as I couldn't mention them all in this video here. Watch the live demo and have a look at the bonuses again, and then hit the buy button now to secure your copy of CryptoSuite and start getting results right away. Now, don't go back to wasting money and time on tools that simply don't work. Don't go back to trying to figure all of this out on your own, downloading hundreds of tools, buying all these different products, and still being confused. Finally, don't be the person that misses this trend. It's here right now. Now is the golden age of crypto, and you have never been in a more fortunate position. So head down the page, hit the buy button, and get ready to finally be a part of the crypto train that the whole world is talking about. Again, my name is Luke McGuire, and on behalf of myself, and my team, I thank you for watching this video, and I'm so excited to meet you inside the members area in just a few minutes.